Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TS3450. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network with your mobile phone. Then we're also going to add it to a computer. What you need to do is you need to go to your Play Store. So go to Play Store, install Canon Print app. Open the app. You need to select search for the printer. Is your printer listed below? I'm going to select no. Searching for the printer. Make sure the printer is switched on. If the printer is not found after a while, tap next. Cannot find the printer, so the printer is not found. Then you select OK. Then it will ask you, does the printer have button like this? Yes. So we'll go to network select button. This is network select button. Press and hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It will show you mobile phone on the screen. Then release the button. Wait for 2 lines to show. We'll show you Wi-Fi icon and also wait for 2 lines to highlight 2 lines and the wireless network. Then you select yes. Then confirm. Wait for the printer name to appear on the screen. This may take about 3 minutes. So searching for the printer and the printer is found. Set up Wi-Fi for the following printer. Canon IJ0852 TS3450 series. Select OK. When the printer is dictated on the next screen, tap the button. Select Next. Canon Print. Connect to device. Canon Print will use temporary Wi-Fi network to connect device. Then you select Connect. Connecting. Connected and is processing. So it's going to search for wireless router where the printer is situated. The printer will be connected to the wireless router SSID. Select yes. Then it will ask you to enter password. I have the password information, so I'm going to put the details. Double check the information to make sure the information you put are correct. Then select OK to submit the information. Select OK. Saving the information, communicating with the printer. So it's communicating with the printer. And the printer light is still highlighting. Once the printer is connected, the light will be steady. Communicating with the printer. The printer is connected to wireless network. You can see the Wi-Fi restriction, but you need to wait for the process to complete on the mobile phone. Then close this. This is connected. Close the file. Then it will ask you, do you want to save the following network? Then you select OK. This is the printer TS3450 series online. So the printer is connected. And from this app, you can print document print, photo print, scan, smartphone copy, copy document, cloud, creative pack, create photo item. Now I want us to print documents. So go to document print, then select documents. Then scroll down to select particular document you want to print out. Select on the document. This is the document I want us to print out. Then you select Next. Select Change Settings. Select number of copies. The size A4 paper, same as original. Media type plain paper, and want to print it in color. Duplex, simplex. Then go back and select Print. This is the document we printed out, and it will show you printing is completed. Then you select OK. You can go back to the home page. Then you can go back to the home page. If you look on the printer is online and also connected to a wireless network. So this is how to connect this printer to a wireless network with your mobile phone. So after you connected this printer to a wireless network with your mobile phone, if you want to add it to your computer, what you need to do is you need to go to Windows Start, then go to your laptop settings, select printers and scanners, then add a device. It's going to search for available printer TS3450 series, multifunction printer, inkjet printer, and scanner. Select Add. It will show you connecting, installing, and it's showing us ready. So once you start the printer, it will show you ready. If you want to print out a test page to confirm that the printer is working, you need to select on the printer. It will show you that the printer is idle. Print test page. So this is window printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon TS3450 series on laptop. It will show you port name, yes, color support, yes, data, raw. If you want to scan document, open scanner settings, then open scanner. Then go on the left side and look for the printer from the list. Canon TX3400 series, select on it. Then put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. We want to scan this document, for example. Put the document on the glass scanner, face down, close the cover, select source as flatbed or auto-configured flatbed. Select file type, scroll down to select PDF. Show more. Resolution, scroll down, 600 dpi is maximum. So currently it is in 100 dpi. You can select 300 dpi if you like. Then save the document in the document file. So select documents, then select folder. You can preview the document. It will fetch the document for you to see it. Then if you are happy, then you select scan. But I want us to select scan straight. So scanning. And the document is scanned. To see this document, select view. This is the document we scanned, and this is the original one. If you want to print it out, you select Ctrl P or go on top and select print icon. Select print icon. So you need to go on the left side to select correct printer. TS3400 series ready. Because I have different printers installed on the computer, so you need to make sure you select correct one so that when you send the job for you to be able to print it out, then you select number of copies, use up or down to select number of copies. Layout, we want it in portrait. Then you select pages. This is only one page. Then select color. You can print it in color or black and white. Color is selected. Then scroll down. You can print this document two-sided. If you have 2 pages document, you can print it two-sided, but this is 1 page document. I'm going to print it page 1 only, 1 page. More settings. Scroll down to select the size as A4. Scale, fit to page. 1 page per sheet. Then you select print. The document is printing out. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to close the scanner. This is the document we scanned, printed it out from the printer. Another way to add this printer is for us to install Canon Print app. Go to Windows Start, then go to Microsoft Store. Select Microsoft Store. Go on search bar and type Canon Print app. Select Canon Print app. Install Canon Print app on your PC or your laptop, then open Canon Print app. Once you open Canon Print app, the printer will show up. So we're going to wait for the app to be ready. And this is the printer, TS3450 series. It will show you the ink level and show you that the printer is online. From this app, you can print documents, you can print photo, you can scan documents. Thank you very much indeed.